Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here.
Hello.
I'm Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron. We are going to be doing some unboxing today.
Things are in boxes and we're going to get them out.
I have got the Macy's beauty box and the seasonal Walmart beauty box here today. So, the Walmart is a seasonal beauty box that you can get. This is the winter box, and I have variation 11 here today. And
I heard that's the good variation.
This is basically a free box of samples. You just have to pay shipping. It's like $7 or $8. So yeah, that's a great box. It is Winter Wonderland. These are all the items that you could be getting. So, oh, I see something from CoverGirl in here. You always get one of these liquid IVs in here. It's like a hydration multiplier, and that's what it says on there.
Make your own Gatorade.
Basically. And what flavor is this? Watermelon. Okay, do you want to read about it?
Get hydrated faster and more efficiently while maintaining and strengthening the immune system. This delicious non-GMO powder drink mix contains a cutting-edge blend of vitamin C, zinc, and Wellmune, whatever that is, designed to enhance rapid absorption of water and other nutrients so you feel better, faster.
The only thing I don't really care for this is it has like 11 grams of sugar in it.
Maybe that's what Wellmune is.
So, oh, we've got two in here. Wow.
Oh.
And this is tangerine. So, they're just little water.
That's this interesting analysis. This one is hydration multiplier, but this one is hydration multiplier plus.
Okay, what does the plus
say? So that
say?
was better for some reason.
Okay, so what does that one say?
This is plus immune support.
Okay.
Neither of them say that, though. Oh, no, that one does.
Okay, but it says that in there.
Tangerine.
Does it say anything special there?
I just read it.
Oh, okay. Wasn't listening.
Neither was I.
Okay. In here, we also have a little Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Is that on here?
Soothe dry winter skin with Cetaphil's advanced skincare solution. Cetaphil's moisturizers and cleansers are backed by scientific research and clinical studies to ensure the most effective blend of 8 ingredients.
Okay. That's cool. I like a moisturizing cream. Then we have an Earth Supplied Textured Hair Care
Squishy
Butter Rich Deep Treatment Mask. Moisture and Repair. 25% shea butter.
Okay.
Is that on there?
No.
Okay. There's a question mark on there that says you can get a mystery item. So this, you want to read about it?
Always enriched with high levels of the purest butters and oils, globally sourced and carefully chosen for their amazing beauty benefits to you. Real ingredients, real benefits, real results. No sulfate, silicones, parabens, mineral oil, petroleum, paraffin, propylene glycol, phthalates, PABA, or DEA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long do you have to leave this one on for?
5 hours.
30 minutes? Wow. I like it when you have to only leave them on.
No pain, no gain.
Okay, then we get a little sample packet. I don't like the foil packets that much, but beggars can be choosers. So this is the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. Is that on here?
No.
Okay.
Is it for dry skin or made out of dry skin?
It is Specialist Dry Skin Formulation. Can you read that on there?
Apply a small amount to dry skin. Okay, as required. Use less than you would if applying a cream. Don't use too much of this tiny, tiny packet. Suitable for sensitive skin and non-comedogenic. That's not funny.
Okay, then we have the Rail Beauty Miracle Patch. invisible spot cover, so pimple patches.
Yep.
It's
on there, but it doesn't say anything about it other than the price.
What is the price?
$5.98 for 1 pack, 24 count.
This is, how many are in here? No, this is a full size. So cool. I'll probably give those to my daughter, even though I could probably use them.
Clear dots that hit the spot. These translucent hydrocolloid stickers keep spots absorbed and absorb unwanted exudate. Yeah, I don't want any exudate. You don't either, trust me.
Okay.
It's the worst.
And then finally, I think this makes the whole box, is the Simply Ageless CoverGirl Lash Plumping Mascara. 3-in-1 primer, serum, and mascara in the color black. So that's
pretty about cool. Your lashes being plumped kind of worries me. Like, they get too thick and then they're just like they can't hold up under their own weight anymore, like hot dogs.
I like CoverGirl mascaras a lot.
Yeah, me too.
So I think this is a win.
And it's purple.
And it's purple.
Yeah.
Lash plumping mascara.
Plumping.
Is that on here?
Get your lashes plumped. Full size, $9.97.
Okay, there you go. What is this other mascara?
Physicians Formula Butter Blood Mascara Black.
Oh, I didn't know Physicians Formula, man. Okay, so
you learned something today. And I learned something too.
That is everything in the Walmart box. I think I like this box, which I can't say that for all the boxes that I get from Walmart. This is a pretty good one. Okay, let's jump into Macy's beauty box.
You're not going to fit in there.
For January of 2023. Oh, look, we get a little
bowl. What is it?
It's a little makeup pouch.
Makeup pouch.
Look at it. It's so cute. It says, "You glow, girl."
You glow, girl.
Isn't that cute? I could put my little travel size things in there.
You glow like plutonium.
And, I like that. And then everything usually comes in this little pink packaging, and I got the oops card again.
Oops.
It says we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry. We're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. Okay, here is our little pamphlet. I'll give that to Ed.
You got a little card there.
Oh yeah, I got a little
$5 off 20.
$5 off $20 when you shop at Macy's. Okay, let's take everything out here. Oh, we've got perfumes this time. Yay! Okay, let us start with this big old honker here.
Gold face mask.
All right.
Solid gold.
Youth House.
Youth House. Golden Glow face mask. This mask goes for gold in every single way. Powerful ingredients like collagen, our good friend hyaluronic acid, and the divine duo of retinol and bakuchiol. I didn't know that retinol had a divine counterpart. Give a burst of youthful radiance from the inside out. Plus, it brings an extra does of sparkle to your skincare routine. I think they meant dose. How to use. Apply to clean skin morning, day, or night.
Okay. All right. It comes in 2 parts. I think that's weird when they do that. I don't know why they do that.
Looks like something like that you wear it as like, this is Sparta.
Okay, next from Lancome.
Energy lift.
Looks like everything is sample size this time.
Multi-action Ultra SPF 30 moisturizer. They had us at SPF, but we're staying for the anti-aging effects. Reach for a moisturizer that addresses visible signs of aging linked to the loss of collagen, like fine lines, age spots, wrinkles, and more. $110
for the full size.
Okay, and how big is the full size? It's like,
Well, it should say what the full size is.
Regular size, full size. Regular size, full size.
Lancome is an expensive brand.
It does not say.
So,
but we're assuming it's bigger than that. At least 6 or 7 milliliters.
There you go. It's a moisturizer or just a sunscreen?
Moisturizer.
Okay.
But SPF 30. So, that's
Okay.
sunscreen.
Okay, next we have from Origins, their ginseng moisturizer.
Refreshing eye cream to brighten.
Oh, it's eye cream.
Depuff. The name says it all. Vitamin C and niacinamide work to brighten and depuff your under eyes after a long weekend of New Year, New You celebration. Because dark circles should never get in the way of a good party. $34 for full size. Gently tap onto the eye area with your fingertips, but not in your eyeball.
Okay, what is this? Naturally Serious Lemonade.
Lemonade. Makeup removing cleansing gel. Lemonade lovers, you're gonna love this. Starting and end the day with a lightweight cleanser made from lemon seed oil, lemon butter, and lemon extract. Isn't lemon seed oil extracted from lemon? Anyway, it removes long-wear makeup and clarifies the skin for a silky feel. $18 full size. Use in the AM for a clean base and apply at night to scrub the dirt and oil from your pores. Or just rub a half-cut lemon on your face.
Okay,
your
so
eyes.
looks like we've got a whole makeup routine. This whole skincare routine
It
here.
does. You would be able to do it at least twice before you run out.
And then we have the Hyaluronic Facial Cream by Dr. Brandt.
Of course.
What are we?
Microdermabrasion renewing face exfoliator. It's like getting a professional microdermabrasion treatment without leaving your home. This anti-aging exfoliator features 97% ingredients of natural origin. 3% ingredients of unnatural origin.
Unnatural?
From the world beyond. From a parallel dimension. From the deep void.
Okay, what didn't we get?
Gently scrubbing your face with your fingertips. Yes, it's that easy. Well, there's 2 perfume things. So you got both of those.
Black Opium and
Looks like you got all of it.
Yves Saint Laurent?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Okay, I've tried the Black Opium before. Let's...
As one of the most talked about scents in the fragrance world. Did you know that? This blend of warm vanilla and adrenaline-rich coffee live up to every expectation. It's
okay.
seductively intoxicating and youthfully modern. All wrapped in one. $104 full size. How to use. Spreads onto pulse points and enjoy all day wear.
That's a nice scent.
Huh, that's not bad.
I wouldn't go out and buy it though, but I like getting samples. Look at that. It's not even halfway full.
He's so tiny.
That's a nice scent.
And the
That's a
other
nice
one
scent.
is Saint Laurent L'Homme de la Toilette.
L'Homme.
L'Homme. If you lean toward force of nature scents, this one is for you. Woody notes beautifully contrast the bright and sparkling freshness of bergamot, ginger, and vetiver.
What is that?
I don't know. We just can't get enough, and neither will you. $78. If we don't get enough, is that basically they're admitting that they're not putting very much in there?
It smells like a sexy
You
man.
won't get enough. That's not bad.
I like that.
L'Homme.
I need to work a little more. Okay, so that is everything in the Macy's beauty box. I like it when they send makeup better, but I don't mind some skincare samples. So what do you think? Let us know. Do you get either of these boxes? Did you get the same things? Let us know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it.
I just noticed the thing in here that says New Year, New Glow. Congrats. You made it to a whole new year. You're still here. You're not dead. We think that deserves a treat.
Okay, so yeah, any kind of engagement you can give us will help push our video out into the algorithm, and hopefully
And then
other
it'll just
viewers,
drift away. A little video. Drift away on the tide.
hopefully other viewers like yourself can see it. Also, sharing this video really helps. Hello, if you are a new viewer, welcome. Thank you for picking this video to watch. If you like unboxings, if you like lots of makeup material, if you like some cooking videos, some commentary.
And if you can tolerate my general smart aftery.
Some talking about mental health.
I said ass. They're going to demonetize us.
We would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video.
And remember, we wouldn't be where we are without viewers. Viewers like you. We thank you for your support.
And hello, we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then, okay? Goodbye.